magic hour. It ain't perfect, but everything's beautiful. Yeah, it ain't perfect, but everything's beautiful.
Hi YouTube, welcome back to Ava Pearl's World. Today I'm going to be giving y'all an updated Golden Glow face mask tutorial because I am constantly receiving compliments gratefully on my skin, and I'm trying to put y'all on. So I'm doing this for anybody who wants to achieve the skin of their dreams, get rid of those acne scars, get rid of hyperpigmentation, get rid of overall lack of skin brightness. You know, if your skin is dull, dry, crusty, girl, try this face mask. Boy, try this face mask. We got it. So lock in and enjoy the video. This video is definitely going to be updated compared to my last video that I made right here, because I have changed a few of the ingredients and I've tweaked, changed it because I do what best suits me and my skin and the season. So if you're watching this around summertime, this is gonna be the one for you. Anytime you watch it, I promise it's gonna work. So comment down below if you've tried this face mask and if it's worked for you. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Y'all, I started with a base inside of my cup or my bowl that I'm gonna be using for my face mask, and this has yogurt in it. So you can use Greek yogurt, but this one I use dairy-free yogurt because I'm vegan, so that's just like what I have, what I use, and it works the same. So if you have dairy-free almond milk yogurt, use that. If you have Greek yogurt, use that. I just used a spoonful, spoon, and we're gonna go ahead and put in our turmeric, golden turmeric. So y'all see, I probably definitely need a restock on this because y'all see, I definitely be going in on my golden glow face mask. Like, I'm not just sitting up here talking to y'all, putting on y'all some fake stuff. This is what I use, this is what I do. So I'm gonna just go until it's like all the way filled up on the spoon. Pour it in there. So it's all about this turmeric. So like literally you can go crazy on it, you can go lighter, but you are gonna be glowing because of this right here. Like, this is like the secret sauce, obviously. Apple cider vinegar. Y'all, don't come for me. I know I need to restock my ingredients, but as you can see, this is literally like my go-to favorite face mask. I did a little bit over this small spoon size, and then I just mix it up. So we're gonna go ahead and use our chickpea flour, and I'm gonna use about 2 scoops of this inside of the bowl so that it can make it more of a thicker consistency to stick onto your face. And we're gonna just use like 2 scoops of this tiny spoon and go for a thicker consistency. Another face mask of mine that I do highly recommend and love is going to be the oatmeal face mask, and there's a lot of different ways you can do that one because a lot of people do it differently. You could do it with yogurt, honey, and it's going to just overall brighten your skin. Like, I always notice a difference with that. So this is a pretty good consistency. It's not watery, you don't want it running, just like wax. You don't want it to be like dripping. It's not gonna burn you or nothing, obviously, but you don't want it running because it's just gonna run off of your face, and there's no point of even using the face mask at that point. So go ahead and get you a little headband or something so that it won't get in your hair unless you're gonna like take a shower or something right after. But this is the headband that I have, and I got these off Amazon. I should definitely go put these in my storefront right now, so they should be there. Go check the link. And we're going to make sure that your skin is all the way dry. Like, you don't want any oils, nothing. You know, just go wash your face. Make sure you scrub. All right. So I actually lost my little tool that's like to put it on, you know, so we're gonna use a spoon.
Looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can give my all to. Tell me that it's you. What you wanna do. You can be my teacher, I'll do homework. You can give me extra credit, baby, I'll do more. What you wanna do. Now it's me and you. You and me together, picture perfect. I'll spend all my money, all my time because you're worth it. It's just me and you.
Okay, so the face mask is fully applied. I really like how I applied it. This is why you wear a little headband, because it might like go try to pass where you've applied it. Anyways, this smoothie, this is a handful of frozen strawberries, coconut water filled up, and I just took a little bit out so that it wouldn't be over capacity. Put a whole lime squeeze, 3/4 of banana, and then I put mint, fresh mint, because my parents have a mint garden, mint plant, very abundant mint plant in the front. So I'm just like pick, about probably 15 mints. So then I put them inside, I crush them up, you know, make them all pretty. And you can still see them because I probably could have chopped them up a little better. But anyways, I go ahead and include all of that into my mixture. And boom, I spin it out and it's so good. It's so refreshing. It's delicious. I actually like it more when I put a lime and a lemon, but I was just feeling more of a limey vibe. Just try it out. But that was really good. I enjoyed that. That was super good. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and leave this mask on for about a good 20 minutes, and I'm gonna come back at y'all when it's more hardened, dry, and all of that. So I'll get back at y'all. But it's all dry. Disregard this right here. I was literally just picking at it to make sure it's all the way dry, and it is. My hands are all yellow. So we're gonna go rinse this off, and I'm gonna come back at y'all and show y'all the final product. So my face is all washed off. It's completely dry, and it feels so hydrated, so good, so nice. And I'm gonna show y'all my aftercare from doing these face masks. So I like to keep it simple. This is my triamcinolone, whatever that's called. So yeah, this is prescribed, and if you don't have it, not a big deal. But I did notice like great differences in my skin. I've never really had a big problem with acne, like I've already said, but I have seen on TikTok a girl talking about a great remedy for girls with acne, and she showed me the same product that I currently use. So that was really good to know. So I figured I would just also share that with y'all because it's actively working for other women to preserve their clear skin. So yeah, go ahead and give that a try. I'm gonna show y'all it one more time in case you didn't get to really get into it. Yeah, I really hope y'all caught that, but it feels pretty good. And it just keeps my skin super nice. And then I go in with my organic virgin coconut oil, and coconut oil is just so good for the skin, y'all. And it's about that time where it's super hot outside, and I can get next to my window for some strange reason, and it's just always very melted. But that's not a problem because either way it's just gonna get on my skin and be melted. So I'm gonna be out oily tonight, but that's okay because we're gonna be shiny, bright. My skin feels so good right now. It might look a little red, but you know, the real results are gonna kick in tomorrow. You already see it's already naturally clear, glowy, giving, period. So the face mask is alone in itself thebomb.com, but my real secret is sunscreen, y'all. Don't play about sunscreen right now. This is what I'm using. This is super nice. Black Girl Sunscreen Moisturizing Sunscreen Lotion, 30 SPF. This is so nice, and it literally doesn't leave me oily or too looking white. You know what I mean? It looks perfect on me. So that's what I'm like putting y'all on. Get a good sunscreen. Supergoop is also a good brand. You can get that from Sephora. And don't forget to put on your sunscreen, y'all. Care about your skin. But that's all that I have for y'all for this video. I really hope that this helped you. I really want to know if you guys try out this face mask. So go ahead and comment down below what you guys think about the video and trying out the mask, and share this to somebody that you know would like it. And thank y'all for watching.